woke up this morning, found everything in place. The birds were singing pretty songs, the sun kissed me on my face. And it feels so good to be alive, it feels so good to see the light. I got this sudden feeling like now's the time to start. I got a big idea in my head, I got a dream down in my heart. And I'm praying that she'll help me now, I'm praying that she'll show me how.
We've made it to Moab. We're here at the hotel. Now it's time to unload the Jeep. Who needs steps when you've got a Jeep? Sun is going down a little earlier than expected on day one. That's okay. We've got a nice little spot here to play with the weenies. And it looks like we might just go grab some food and some drinks and call it an evening.
Driving way too fast down this two-lane street. Windows down, your feet, yeah, they're hanging on now. The wind has got you. We're just free-falling fools en route nowhere. From Los Angeles singing you and I, two beat-up souls driving through the night in the 95 Chevrolet. Down here now, take my hand and give me those eyes. Don't stop the beat, a little full heart inside of me. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
17 miles?
Yeah, so from Elephant Hill Trailhead, you're gonna go over the obstacle of Elephant Hill, then go in a one-way section in the Elephant Hill loop through a joint here. You go through a crack,
real narrow.
and then you meet the Devil's Kitchen backcountry four-wheel drive site. That's where there's a number of really neat spires there. You're gonna cross over to Devil's Lane, go north on Devil's Lane to the Confluence Trail, and you only have about a half a mile hike out to the Confluence. Return on Devil's Lane to New Bates Wilson, where you're in a one-way section again, and then you're back to two-way on that 1.5 mile section where you'll go over the Elephant Hill obstacle.
Cool.
And yeah, it's really beautiful. Devil's Lane is a graben, so the ground is splitting there, which is really cool. There's a lot of salt intrusions, and there's salt movement underground, which is causing the ground to split and create all these valleys, these very parallel, strange-looking valleys, and you're going to be driving through one of them called Devil's Lane. But we have another graben called Cyclone, another one called Red Lake, so the ground is just splitting in all these directions, and progressively more and more in the direction of the Colorado River, because the Colorado River is basically triggering that action.
Oh, yes.
Wow, awesome.
Okay,
cool,
great,
thanks for the info.
Yeah.
Yeah, very cool.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Jensen Adventures. I'm Tiffany,
And I'm Chad.
and we are out here in Moab, Utah. Today we are tackling Elephant Hill.
We're here at the Elephant Hill Trailhead, airing down. We use the Ston tire deflators. You can set them to the exact PSI that you want your tires to air down, screw them onto the valve stems, and they do their thing.
So at the start of the trail, we got right into the rock crawling. So Moab is not very forgiving when it comes to these trails, guys. We are lucky we've got some 37s thrown on this Jeep last minute. It's making the ride way smoother.
Alright guys, so Elephant Hill gets right into it, as Tiffany said. We get to these switchbacks right here, and you actually have to back down. So let's check it out.
When I woke up this morning, found everything in place. The birds were singing pretty songs, the sun kissed me on my face. It feels so good to be alive, it feels so good to see the light. I got this sudden feeling like now's the time to start. I got a big idea in my head, I got a dream down in my heart. And I'm praying that you'll help me now, I'm praying that you'll show me how. Saying be all you can be. You gotta keep the truth in your heart. Believe when you can't see. You don't see the sign, give it time. Won't reach the top without the climb.
So one of the obstacles on Elephant Hill is the squeeze, or I don't know what they call it, but it is this super narrow section that just about anything wider than a Jeep will not fit through. Alright guys, so we're actually at Confluence Trail. It's about a quarter-mile hike up to a view that overlooks the Colorado River and the Green River. Not exactly sure. If you guys are ever on Elephant Hill, make sure you come check out the Confluence Trail view. Pretty awesome.
Remember the entrance to Elephant Hill where we had to back up and then go back down? Now we need to do that in reverse.
right, guys, that's going to wrap up day 1, Elephant Hill in Moab, Utah.
And thanks for joining us. Stay tuned for day 2, where we will be doing Top of the World.
Later.